Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows security at a glance on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to check my video description for these both links. You just need to select the download option and download this one by one. After downloading the SecurityHealthService.exe, now download the SecurityHealthService.reg file. After downloading both files, you just need to select this folder icon. Now you just need to right click on the SecurityHealthServices.exe and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy this exe file. After copying it, go to this PC, C drive, Windows folder, find System32 folder, double click on it, paste the file over here, select replace the file in the destination, say continue. In my case, I already have this file guys. After pasting it, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type a cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up File Explorer and now you just need to go to downloads and right click on this SecurityHealthService.zip file and select extract all and select extract. And now double click on the SecurityHealthService.reg file and select run and select yes. Select yes. After adding this Security Health Service registry path, just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In here find Windows Security Service, just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. After doing it, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.